Good evening to the audience who have joined us from India and across the globe. We shall be starting in just a short while. And until then, because this is a channel for passion, we would love to know what is that passion which is close to your heart. To all our viewers on Zoom and on Facebook, do put in the chat box what is that passion that makes you really happy. Do like our Facebook page, Glyphs, Create, Connect, Express. And that's the QR code you can scan to be a part of our Glyphs community. Thank you and welcome again. We shall be starting in just a short while. Hello and a very good evening to all our viewers from across the globe. Stay tuned as we talk to our guests, both who are from the world of art. One who is in the artistic world of paintings and the other one who is in the artistic world of theater. To the audience, we shall be recording this episode for quality purposes. Glyphs essentially means the representation of a character. And what better way there is to identify what a person truly is than to observe what he loves from within him. That's why the name Glyphs. It also stands for being a symbol that represents something beyond the face value. The three symbols or the three glyphs that you saw in the logo represent what the concept is all about. They stand for Create, Connect, and Express, or CCE. Like we all know, hashtag Passion Matters. Glyphs is a channel where you indulge in to identify the passion created within you, connect with each other, and openly and ingenuously express your thoughts and passions. The purpose of this channel, this is to create a community of like-minded people who share a common drive for passion. Passion is a force that motivates you to achieve success and happiness to build a better life. It is something that allows you to be inherently yourself. Your passion can be singing, photography, painting, playing an instrument, or even something as different as collecting items, cycling, or sports. This might be something that you are not necessarily doing as your work. In fact, it is better if you have a passion that helps you unwind and enjoy your own company. The Glyphs community is meant to encourage us to keep pursuing our passions. It is a global community who see, learn, and appreciate the things that we do. It is also an avenue where you can showcase your own passion and also be inspired to explore a new passion. You know you got it. We know you got it. Now, let the world know you got it. And that's exactly what we are here to do: create, connect, express. And so, again, good evening and welcome back to yet another innovative episode of Glyphs CCE. I am your host, Kavita Avasthi, and I welcome all of you to the 31st episode of this wonderful channel where we showcase your passion. To all our guests on Zoom and Facebook, it is indeed a pleasure to have you with us. Today, we shall be talking to our guests, Anil, who has a passion of painting, and Dr. Prasad, who nurtures the passion of Sanskrit theatre. To the audience on Zoom and on Facebook, do keep the chat box alive with your comments and your appreciation. And to all of you, especially on Facebook, we are listening to you. So please feel free to put your comments on our Facebook page, which is live right now. They say that art is something that makes you breathe with a different kind of happiness. Anil Purohit, an artist who believes in this so much that merely in a span of 8 years, he has managed to create over 1,000 paintings. Anil, who believes that an artist should paint only when he or she is in the right mood and not just because something has not been posted regularly. And I'm sure a lot of the audience will agree with what I'm saying. Audience, why should the sky always be blue? Or why should the grass always be green? Anil firmly believes that replication in art is not always required. He feels that an artist can use his or her own freedom to create paintings. So, Anil, we would want to ask you to tell us more about this artistic freedom of an artist. Over to Anil.
Yeah, hello everybody. First of all, thank you so much, Nikhil, Kavita, and his entire team at GIPS CC